Good morning, all my dear friends. I am Somidul, and you are watching your most favorite channel, your own channel, Dakchhe Sobuj Dakchhe. Today, I have come up again with a new episode, and in this episode, I am going to show you a few more fruit plants which I have collected from BERY PROYAS Nursery of Khalpar, Kollani, Nodia. And viewers, so far my experience goes, I can say you safely, it is the most reliable and genuine nursery of West Bengal. It has already been able to add a feather of his crown in his head in respect of largest collection of mango plant. Different species of mango plants are in their collections now. So far I know more than 200 different genuine species of mango plants are there in the collection of this nursery. So therefore you would obviously want to know what is the contact number and the address, proper address, specific address of this nursery. Here it is, I am giving you. The specific postal address of BERY PROYAS Nursery is B2 Khalpar, Kollani, Nodia near B3 Market. And its pin code number is 741235. The name of its owner, that is the name of the owner of BERY PROYAS Nursery is Sangeeta Sarkar, and her contact number is 91635 96033. I am repeating this number 91635 96033. This nursery is a unit of complete fruit plants. And not only the different species of mango plants are available here, exotic rare variety all fruit plants you can get from this nursery. And all genuine and reliable plants will be available. And if anyone want to purchase any plant from this nursery, he can be sure of its genuinity. And my experience says the selling approach of this nursery is very genuine and reliable because of the fact that they want to develop their business by its genuinity and their reliability. And I have also seen that whenever I purchase any plant from this nursery, I get it through courier service in safe because their packaging is so scientific. No injury is caused on the way of journey to the different addresses of West Bengal and out of West Bengal. Throughout India, they deliver fruit plants on courier service. And today I am going to show you the fruit plants which I have collected from this BERY PROYAS Nursery of Khalpar, Nodia, and its packaging before you. How scientific this packaging is, and you will be sure that if any fruit plant is packaged in this manner and it is sent on courier service, no injury, no harm can be caused to any plants within this package. This time I have collected 8 fruit plants, and those plants are Miyazaki mango 1 piece, Katimon mango 1 piece, Ratnagiri Alfonso mango 1 piece, KG Kachamita mango 1 piece, Red Palmer mango 1 piece, Langcha Sobeda 1 piece, and Black Long Mulberry 1 piece. And together with these 7 plants, I have also collected another plant, that is Gandharaj lemon plant. Total 8 plants I have collected from this nursery this time. And all these plants I have collected this time for presenting all these plants to one of the viewers of this channel. And he is my best friend, and he has joined Suomoto in our fight against global warming. He has prepared a beautiful garden in front of his house, and he is trying to fight with the pollution of our environment. And totally he has been inspired from the rooftop garden of this channel, and this is the success of this channel. And viewers, I do hope that you will also try to prepare the rooftop garden in each and every roofs of yours. These 8 fruit plants have reached to me on courier service today, and today I will show you the package now, the packaging system of BERY PROYAS Nursery. And after showing this, I am going to unpackage these fruit plants and show you how much healthy and how much fresh these fruit plants are, because whenever I have purchased, I have got fresh and healthy fruit plants from this nursery. So let's start to see the packaging first in close-up. This is the packaging. This is the top side, and throughout this packaging, more than one window has been prepared. This is one I am showing you, and other windows also I am going to show you. and these windows are prepared for air circulation, so that within the package the air circulation is not blocked up and the plants remain safe. And this is another window. This is the front side, and this is the bottom side. So this is the total packaging. I am showing you from its all sides. Just see how much hardy and how much safe this packaging is and how much scientific at the same time. So this is the packaging of BERY PROYAS Nursery, and you will do admit that this is most hardy and most safe packaging one and most scientific one at the same time. Now let's unbox this package and take out the plants within. Viewers, now I am going to unbox this package and taking out the plants. I am cutting from top to bottom this package. So within it another package is there. I am opening this package also. And just see, viewers, all the plants have been covered with straw so that no injury can hurt these plants within on the way and on the journey. I am removing now all these straws, and just see, viewers, here the bamboo sticks have been given as support, and due to these supports the plants within this package has remained safe throughout its journey. So one by one I am taking out the supports. These are the supports. And these are the straws. This is also one support. Now I am taking out the plants one by one. This is the first one. And this plant is the plant of Kacha Mitha KG mango. This is the root balls portion. Just see how beautiful is the packaging and how beautiful it has been kept and so safe it is. Its leaf portion has been covered with a piece of paper. Now I will open this paper and will show you the freshness of this plant. So this is the plant of KG Kacha Mitha mango. Just look at the leaves, so fresh and greeny it is, and so healthy it is. The stem, the main stem is also healthy one, and root ball is safe. Now I am going to next plant. This is another plant, and this is the plant of Katimon mango, and its root ball is like this, and its stem is like this. I am opening this paper and showing you its freshness. This is the leaf portion of the Katimon mango. It is also greeny, fresh and live one. So healthy this plant also. And it is a grafted plant. This is the portion of grafting. And a support has been affixed with this plant so that the stem is not broken on the way and becomes injured. Now the next plant. This is the black long mulberry plant, and its root ball is like this. Leaf portion is also covered with a piece of paper. I am opening this paper. It's long black mulberry. This is the long black mulberry plant. This is also another plant. It's the plant of Miyazaki. That is egg of sun. It is its root ball, and its leaf portion also is covered with a piece of paper. I am unpackaging this paper. This is the Miyazaki plant. Just look, its leaves are so healthy and so greeny, and it's so bushy a plant. It is also a grafted plant. This is the portion of grafting. Here is another plant. I am opening this plant now. This is the root ball. This is the portion of the leaves. It is also covered with a piece of paper. I am opening this paper now. It is Gandharaj lemon plant. Just look at the freshness and health of the plant. Leaves are showing that it is so sound in health. This is another plant. This is a red palmer mango plant. It is its root ball, and it is its leaf portion. These are the leaves, so freshy, so greeny, and so healthy. This is its root ball, and this is its stem. It is also a grafted plant. This portion is of grafting. This is a plant of seedless lemon. This is the root ball, and these are the leaves. This is seedless lemon plant. This is the root ball, this is the stem, and these are the leaf portion. Fresh and green. This is another plant. Now let's see. This is a Lancashire plant, and this is its root ball, and this is its leaf portion. Just look at the leaves of this plant. So green, so fresh, and so healthy. And this is the last one. This is the plant of Ratnagiri Alfonso, and this is the root ball. This is the stem, and this is the leaf portion. These leaves are also fresh and green. And viewers, all these plants has reached to my house by crossing a journey over 150 kilometers. And throughout this crossing, it is very normal that these plants must get some journey shock. But after unboxing all these plants, I am observing, due to its scientific packaging, none of the plants have suffered any shock of journey. Anyway, in spite of that, today I will keep all these plants in my rooftop garden for giving them a rest, because a rest period is necessary after crossing over this journey. So these are my plants today, which I have collected from BERY PROYAS Nursery of Khalpar, Nodia. And now, after unboxing all these plants, I will spray Epsom salt mixing water on it. Because you know very well that Epsom salt is nothing but magnesium sulfate, and this helps any plant from absorbing any sorts of injury if it is caused to them. As it has come across a long distance of more than 150 kilometers in order to keep these plants safe from any attack of fungus infection, this Epsom salt mixing water is very much necessary. And that is why I will spray this Epsom salt mixing water upon it. So this was our today's episode. If this episode makes you feel good in any way, please do like, share, and make comment on it. And those who have already subscribed our channel, we are thankful to them. And those who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and click on the all notification bell on the right side, so that in future, as soon as we will upload this type of short episode, it will reach to you very fast. So I am ending this episode today herein. Namaste.